Most kids have this very, very small sphere of influence. They think there's about 5 jobs in the world, and that's no fault of their own. That is because that's what they're fed. When we get into the middle school area, this is where the kids are really navigating what their plan looks like. At the middle school level, we have what is required as an ICAP for the state of Missouri. And in that plan, they're going in and figuring out what it is that they like, where do their skill sets lie, what types of positions or jobs are they looking for in their future, and then what types of academic courses can help support that to get to that future.
This year we started using the SchooLinks program. It's got a lot of information on different jobs that are available, the career clusters that they would be interested in. It has a lot of information about post-secondary opportunities they might have, whether it's going to a college or if it's starting straight into a trade. The 7th graders, they really focused on a couple things. One of them was called Would You Rather. They just really loved interacting with it. And then within that platform, they're able to see what career cluster they are most focused on based on their answers.
They need to know who they are. They need to know where their strengths lie, where their interests are, so they can start making those connections. Even the smallest connection can help be just a stepping stone to an opportunity, to a shadow, to a job, to a mentor. Hopefully we've done enough professional learning with our teachers that they can say, you know what, we have these various organizations in our backyard. We have schools, we have industries that want to hire you as apprentices, we have people that'll take you on as interns, and really have those one-on-one conversations with those kiddos at that middle school level to let them start to say, okay, how could I start to explore my interests and my passions to take this beyond just something that I'm interested in to something that maybe I could do for a living. So it's our job as educators to show them that there's more out there in this world, to show them all the options or things that they can do and let them know that there's various ways or paths to success and help them find what that path looks like for them.